yeah, it's surprising because it's lovely and even, and it's a full crop, and it's been a good year this year. All in all, it's very good really. It's very green and lot of life left in the beet, so it's still growing. We're doing about 1800 sorry, I've just got to the end. 1800 acre with this machine, and my friend will do something similar, maybe a little bit less. We need to do quite a lot with it to justify owning one.
So it's a Tiger 6, isn't it? This machine.
This one, yeah.
And you know, what kind of weight can it carry in the back of it?
It carries 28 tonne of sugar beet in the back, and the machine itself probably weighs 30 to 32 tonnes, so it's probably all in all fully laden it'll be 60 tonne near on. It has 6 big wheels which support it well on the ground, so it's not quite it's not as damaging to the soil that it probably first appears. When we're harvesting in a field like the one we're in, up and down will be a full tank full. There's no need for a trailer because I can get back to the beginning empty and then go again, so it's very efficient. When the field that we had the tractor and trailer in was going across the rows, and it then becomes asking the machine to be a tractor and trailer is quite an ask really, so we don't do that. It's actually getting better. It's about 16.7%, which is probably as good as it's been all year. Normally we would hope to be about 17%, I think, but the yields of the crop's pretty good because it's been a good growing year. It rained a lot, and it hasn't let us down or anything, the crop this year.
So obviously you're tipping into the field here, aren't you? Emptying the fields. What happens? How do you get it away from here then?
Yeah, we treated ourselves to it's called a mouse. It'll pick it up off the field, hopefully lift it over the dyke and put it straight into a lorry. All been well. There is that slight risk that
it's not big, it's not wide enough.
Not near enough to the road, but I think we'll be all right.
Well, I don't think you can't get the beet any closer.
No, I can't get the beet any closer. No, that's the worry. Well, it's not much of a worry. We did it all on last year, didn't we? Up there a bit, so I think we'll be all right. But
so then you'll load onto the lorries, and then it goes straight to British Sugar.
British Sugar at Newark or Wissington. Most of it from here goes to Newark because it's nearby, it's they test it for soil content and sugar content, and
let's hope it's the right way around.
Pay us accordingly or don't pay us accordingly.
Well, let's be fair, this thing pretty much drives itself, doesn't it, Geoff?
It does, yeah. I've took my hands off hands free. Yeah.
Jeff hasn't let me have a go at driving yet.
Yeah, well, you'll have to sort that tomorrow. We're it's been enjoyable. Normally my son drives it, but he's gone to Butlins for the weekend, or for a long week.
I think James has been delivering you a few cream cakes along the way, so it's not been too bad here, has it? We're not meant to say that.
I only eat them very sparingly.
Yeah. So thanks. It's been really interesting. I've really enjoyed coming and having a few rides on it. And next time you can let me drive.
Yeah. I'll have to sort that one. I've lost my way here.
Right, we better crack on, eh?